To get Scabbers to jump from our hands to her cage, we used a method of reinforcement called positive reinforcement. Positive reinforcement is when you add a positive stimulus to increase behavior. Every time Scabbers would successfully jump from our hands to her cage, we would give her a treat. We would then progressively move her cage away so she would jump farther. In doing this, she used discrimination and was initially scared to make the jump. Discrimination is when one realizes the difference between two stimuli. Scabbers noticed the difference between the smaller jumps and now the larger jump.
To get Scabbers to stand and walk, we use shaping. Shaping refers to gradually molding or training something to perform a specific behavior by reinforcing any behaviors that are similar to the desired response. For example, Scabbers would first get a treat for just standing, then for taking 1 step and 2 steps, and so on. The Skinner box is another example of operant conditioning. After Scabbers learned that pressing the bar is rewarded by a treat, we then used a higher fixed ratio. Fixed ratio is a schedule of reinforcement where a response is reinforced only after a specified number of responses. For example, every 5 times Scabbers would hit the bar, she would get a treat.
Scabbers' repeated behavior of climbing the rope is an example of Thorndike's law of effect. The law of effect demonstrates that rewarded behavior is more likely to reoccur. For the obstacle course, we used the method of chaining to get Scabbers from beginning to end. Chaining is the procedure of linking reinforced and learned behaviors together to form one complex behavior. For example, once Scabbers learned the rope climb and weaving through 5 sticks, we then put them together to form the obstacle course.
When getting Scabbers across a dowel rod, Scabbers use generalization. Generalization is a tendency for the previously reinforced behavior to evoke similar actions after the action has been reinforced. Scabbers made a generalization between the single dowel rod and the large one.
Cute, but I want to get her in her face. So right now I just see her butt.
To complete the maze, Scabbers portrayed signs of the cognitive map. The cognitive map is one's unconscious memory of the layout of its environment. We used operant conditioning, which is strengthening a behavior by reinforcing it. Using this, we could better reinforce Scabbers' map of the maze, therefore increasing her ability to complete it.